his teaching patterns really helped. All the mnemonics that he gave, I can still recall those on my tips. So the learning experience from Varun sir was amazing. Again, he was too relevant and to the point while teaching. My name is Ayushi Aggarwal. Before enrolling myself for CPA, I was already a chartered accountant. I had qualified Chartered Accountancy back in 2019. When I reached out to Miles, I did get a proper, it was like smooth process. They told me how I'll be needing the credit hours. They asked for my CA qualification certificate. They did an evaluation on their end. They helped me with how to get the transcripts and everything, and how to register myself with the state board that I was planning to appear with. So yeah, it was a very seamless process, I must say. One more thing that I would want to add along with the three I mentioned is the hands-on support that I got from the Miles staff for the registration, transcripts, license and everything. It was amazing. CPAmatlabMiles.